So hello guys, welcome into my YouTube channel, and today we are going to solve a new question from our top interview 150 question series. And in this question we are going to solve happy number, and let's understand the question first. So we have to write an algorithm which will determine if a number is happy or not. And here is the condition which number is said to be happy. So it has been given that what we have to do is that we have to start with a positive integer and replace the number by the sum of the square of its digit. That means you have to square the all the digits in that number and sum it, and you have to do this again and again until the number becomes 1, or it will endlessly loops in a cycle. So if a number comes to be 1 after doing this multiple times, then it is a happy number, and if it is not, it is a not a happy number. So we have to return true or false. If it is happy, we will return true, and if false, we return a false. So let's understand the example, what is happening here, and also try to find a approach. So this is the first example from our question where n is equals to 19. Let's understand using this example what we have to do. So as the question is saying that what we need to do is that we need to square the digits and then sum it. So we'll do the same. We'll write 1 square plus 9 square, which is equals to 82. Again we do the same. We'll square the next number, which is 82. We'll write 8 square plus 2 square, which is equals to 68. Now this number we again square it. We will write 6 square plus 8 square. This time you will got 100. Now when you square again, what you will get? You will get 1 square plus 0 square plus 0 square, which is going to be equals to 1. So finally, what we got using this process, we get 1. So when we are able to get 1, we will say it is an happy number and we return true. Now what happens if it is not? Now let's this time take n equals to 4. Now what we have to do? We have to write 4 square is equal to 16. We do again for 16. We write 1 square plus 6 square, which is equals to 37. We again do for 37. We write 3 square plus 7 square, which is equals to 58. We again do for 58. We write 5 square plus 8 square, which is equals to 25 plus 64, and this is equals to 89. We again do for 89. We write 8 square plus 9 square is equals to 64 plus 81, which is our 5, and here you got 14. Now again we do for 145. We write 1 square plus 16 4 square plus 5 square, where we got 1 plus 16 plus 25, and what we get to 42. When you again do for 42, you write 4 square plus 2 square, which is equals to 16 plus 4, which is our 20. When you again do for 20, we write 2 square plus 0 square equals to 4. Now again you can see that we have started with 4 and we again get 4. This is the loop. That means now all the terms which we got, that means you got 16, 37, this is going to be repeat. So this is a loop what it is talking about. So whenever you got a loop, that means it is not a happy number, and we have written false for this. So we have understood two conditions where one weight is going to be a happy number and another weight it is not going to be happy number. Now how we can find this? So we are going to do the simple approach, and that means we are going to do the as the question is asking for, but with one improvement. And what is going to be to find this condition, to find this loop, what we can use is that we can use a hash map. And this hash map you can simply use unordered set, and by using this set you can make confirm that the number is going to be same in that set. And whenever you get another number, that means 4 repeat next time, you will got the condition and you can exit the loop and you can simply return false. So this is the algorithm which we are going to follow. Let's do. So as discussed, what we can take unordered map, so unordered set of type int. Let's take it as. Now next what we can do is that we can check that while our n is not equals to 1, that means if it is equals to 1, that means it is a favorable case. And another what we need is that we need to check that if the number which we got is already present in our set or not. How we can do that? You can simply write it as s dot count n. So if it is present, you will get 1, and if it is not, you will get 0. So we are going to take not equals, and this is going to ensure that loop will end. So whenever it is confirmed that we got, that means when it is equals to 0, we have to break this loop. So in this loop, what we can do, we have to first we have to update the unordered set. So we can write s dot insert our value, which is n. Next we have to update our n, and this n is going to be updated with n equals to, we can write new num, we can take a function, and here we will supply our n. So this is our is happy. So let's write the this function, which is new number, which is going to provide us a new number. So let's write it in a private class. We have a type int, we can take int n, and in this what we need int answer is equals to 0. We will run a while loop, and we will check until our n is greater than 0. What we have to do is that we have to first find the value. That means we have to find int x is equals to n mod 10. N mod 10. Next what we will do, we will insert it, add in our answer. So we will write answer is equals to, or you can write answer plus equals to x into x. So what we are doing is that we are adding the square of the digits. Lastly, we have to update our n. We will write n is equals to n by 10. And finally, we return our answer. Now, when we got this and this loop will complete, so what will happen is that when you get n equals to 1, it is going to end the loop. And whenever you are going to get a loop, it is also going to end. So what we are going to return, we are going to return by checking that if our n is equals to 1. So if it is equal, it will return true, and if it is not, it return false. So let's run this. So this is accepted. Now submit this. So this is accepted. So this is a question for today, happy number, and this is an interesting question and very good one question. So thank you for today. Let's meet in the next video. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Thank you.